that ZAP file is a Windows 0 administration package, a lightweight deployment descriptor used to publish software through group policy. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you configure and deploy your ZAP software package. Note on preparation, make sure you have a reliable universal file opener. It's particularly effective when the ZAP file is only partially corrupted. My top tool is revealed here and will be highlighted later on. A ZAP file is a Windows 0 administration package text file used to publish legacy Win32 applications through Active Directory group policy software installation without requiring a Windows Installer MSI package. It provides a simple method for advertising applications to users in enterprise environments. ZAP files are plain text INI formatted files with a required application section containing FriendlyName and SetupCommand entries, and an optional ext section listing file extension associations. The format is simple by design, allowing administrators to publish virtually any legacy installer through group policy. For managing ZAP files, the best dedicated software is Microsoft Windows Group Policy from Microsoft Corporation. Improper handling in Windows can corrupt the underlying system files severely. Windows can open configuration entries, but applying changes correctly depends on the software. To unlock the data, right-click the ZAP file and select Open With. Test Microsoft Windows Group Policy if available. If it's absent, choose another program. We must determine which app can properly read the header. If the ZAP file is still giving you trouble, relax. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here's a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the ZAP file is refusing to open. First, create and deploy via group policy. ZAP files are deployed through Windows Active Directory group policy. Open Group Policy Management Console, navigate to User Configuration, Software Settings, Software Installation, right-click and select New Package, then browse for the ZAP file. Note that ZAP packages can only be published, not assigned. Next, verify ZAP file syntax. If the ZAP package fails to deploy correctly, open the ZAP file in Notepad and verify the syntax. Ensure the application section header exists, FriendlyName contains a valid display name, and SetupCommand points to the correct installer executable path using proper UNC path formatting. Finally, test installation in lab environment. Before deploying ZAP packages to production, test the package in a lab environment. Create a test group policy object, link it to a test OU, and verify that the application appears in Control Panel. Programs. Install program from your network and install successfully on client machines. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.